Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty. I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel, and I'm also a kitchen beautician. You heard that right. I'm going to be going through with some Color Oops. This is the Color Oops Bold Remover, removes all bold shades. And the basic premise is to try to remove as much of the purple slash now pink and green slash now murky blondie yellow. I'm not aiming for blonde, which I know that that may end up happening and may lift my roots and stuff like that, so I'm going to try to be as careful as I can be. We're also going to hope that this little light stays charged for the duration of this time, but I wanted to go ahead and take out the purple and the green, even though it's literally one of my favorite color combinations I've ever done. I do want to go ahead and kind of remove it, and then I'm literally going to leave my hair alone until October, and then I'm going to do purple and green again and do it with a different placement. So yeah, that is what today's goal is. Again, I am a kitchen beautician. I just like to play around with my hair. I like to be creative. I like to do different funky things. But right now my hair is so many different colors. It is my natural hair color, which looks incredibly dark, I feel like, on camera, but it's actually a pretty light brown with a lot of gold in it, and my silver highlights, aka all these gray hairs. And then it's got the green fading into like a lighter green, fading into like orangey, into purple. Now the ends look pink, and then I have obviously grays and my natural color underneath as well. Like, this has not been touched. So the goal is I'm going to separate my hair out. I obviously don't want it on my new growth and or my natural hair color. So I'm going to separate it in the same way that I did when I first did the purple and the green, and go from there. And if it turns out not the best, I may go over it with like a semi-permanent or like a glaze or something like that. But I'm not aiming for really anything pretty. So I'm just going to say that, like, don't have any expectations, because I damn sure don't have any expectations. My only expectation literally is just this section, trying to get the purple and green out, and then kind of fading where it's like pink right here. So I'm only going to be using the color remover, aka bleaching kit, pretty much, on those areas. My hair is unwashed, and I have not washed it in about 4 days. So I should have a pretty good level of some oiliness in there to hopefully protect my hair. So yeah, I hope everybody is well. Hope you guys are having an amazing summer thus far. I'm also kind of doing this because my hair is fading so incredibly fast right now because I'm in the water so much and in the pool and stuff. So let me try to get where y'all can actually see. Like, you can see the whole top layer is more now of like a muted, like, mousy purple slash pink. So that's what I'm trying to kind of get rid of, but I just don't like how my hair looks right now. And it's like fading incredibly quick, more specifically because, you know, of the summertime, and because I am, you know, in pools and stuff like that. I feel like that's good. Whoa, do y'all see all them grays? I don't know if it's picking up on camera, honey, but whoa. I have a lot of gray. I feel like I probably have a little bit of natural hair in here, for sure I do. So let me try to take that down. Again, I'm going to try to be as careful as I can be. Luckily, I don't have to do my whole damn head. Oh my gosh, I'd be here all year. So, you know, I'm hoping, honestly, to not mess with this part at all, and just do the green and the pink slash purple, without hopefully lifting my roots, because that would not be good. If in the case that happens, I'm not even trying to take it to like blonde or anything like that. I just want this as faded as I can get it. If that happens though, then my hope is that it'll at least look intentional. You know, if I have like some darker roots, shadow root vibes going into like this part, maybe getting a little bit more blonde, going back into like my natural, I don't think I would mind that so much. And again, I don't really want to go over this with any color because it's going to fade too fast. Alright, I feel like I have all of the colored hair. Let me try to get in here real close so you guys can see what I'm working with. So you can see Still a lot of like deeper purple in here, but then you can see a ton of pink too, and then of course the green. I still feel like I have too much of my natural hair in here, which is making me a little nervous. And I don't really mind if I have like a kiss of some purple, like maybe in this area. Yeah, I still definitely have some natural hair color in here. That's okay. And is my parting perfect? No, it's definitely not, but that's all right too. All right, I feel like I'm probably okay with that. I have a little bit more of my natural hair color than I would like. Again, I'm trying to like make sure that I keep the integrity of my hair. All right, I'm starting to see a little tinge of purple. So I feel like I've gotten most. Yeah, I basically have like this little piece of like my natural hair color left in there. Y'all, this light and no circulation in here, I am already hot. I'm going to turn my air down. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great summer. All that to literally not even complete what I was talking about. All right, this part is going to go up. And I'm going to try my best to not let that get touched at all. We will see what happens with that. Let me get a little clip. But hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are having an awesome summer. Or do you have any birthdays or any type of engagements, babies coming, anything like that, weddings? I'd like to know. Did you recently have somebody graduate? We've had a lot of graduations and get-togethers and, you know, Father's Day and all that kind of stuff. It was recently one of our best friends' birthdays. I'm going to coat my hair that I'm trying to not get color on or bleached at all. I'm going to coat it in a little bit of this oil so that hopefully it does not bleed. And again, I'm not really worried about like perfect sections or anything like that. My ultimate goal, you guys, I'm honestly hoping I can apply this and literally keep it on like 20 minutes or something like that. And I hope that maybe it just turns like, it just fades this to where it's very, very pastelized. I don't really know, yo. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's fine. I'm not worried about it. I definitely have the motto of like, it's just hair. It is what it is. So anyways, we had a friend of ours that recently celebrated his birthday, and we went for his birthday party. And my husband's birthday is coming up very soon. My sister's birthday is literally just a couple of days away when I'm filming this. My other sister, aka best friend, aka sister by a different mister, her birthday is also just a couple of days away. July is like a big birthday month for us. Like, I don't know if you guys experience that too. We're pretty much like June, July, and November are like our big birthdays, birthday months. I am going to, now that I can actually see the darker hair, okay, so hopefully you guys can see that now. Like, there's very clearly my new growth, natural hair color. Like, this maybe got a skosh of purple on it because I've been using the Manic Panic, like the Love Color conditioner to get the purple. And obviously that's going to kind of rinse and fade into the rest of my hair. I can speak. I promise you I can speak. So, you know, it might have a little bit of like a tinge of purple, but otherwise it's untouched. Like, this is my natural hair color. And then we can see that band of like the green, which is kind of already faded significantly. We can see a tiny little band where those two shades kind of met because, you know, they don't really go together. So it looks kind of peachy orangey, and then the purple. This is so much harder. I'll pop some pictures just while I'm kind of running my mouth. I'll pop some pictures up of like previous colors and stuff like that, and like previous hair, whatever, experiments, I guess you could say. Because when I had short hair or like a shaved underneath, or I had a mohawk, or whatever the case may be, it was so much easier, you guys. But having longer hair, I'm like, oh, this is much more exhausting. I'll just say that. Okay, this was only like 15 bucks, and there are actually 2 full kits in here, which is kind of cool. I definitely don't think I need both, but just in case, I'm glad to have 2 of them in here. It has the bowl already. We have our developer, the powders and stuff like that. Of course, our leaflet and our directions. And then we have gloves that we're not going to be using because they're cheap pieces of trash. And then we do have our little bag to put on our head at the very end. I have some extra clips and some actual real deal gloves. So let me get this mixed up and we will start applying. Again, I'm avoiding my root and I'm only aiming for this to just hopefully lighten and I don't look like some kind of weird spotted cheetah leopard something or other. Yeah, so I'll be right back. I might pop on and talk and stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna try to separate this like natural hair during the process. I'll probably talk through some, speed some up so we're not here for 3,000 years. Thank you guys in advance for watching. Yeah, I'll be RB. Okay, it's mixed up. It doesn't mix very much, but of course I have 2 applications, so maybe I'll do like half and then mix the other part of it. Even though I'm only doing a portion of my hair is pretty dense and pretty thick. So I'm gonna go as quickly as I can. I'll speed this part up because I wanna go really fast. Like I said, I'm not aiming for blonde and it's bleach and it's going to lift and lighten pretty quickly, I think. So yeah, and it's very strong. Let's get the show on the road. Oh my gosh, that is strong, y'all. All right, very quickly, before I do speed this part up, again, I'm avoiding my new growth at all costs, you guys. All right, everything is applied. I feel like hopefully I did not get any on my natural hair. If I did, it's okay. Again, I'm only aiming for fading and it already is fading quite a bit. So I think I'm only gonna go about 20 minutes, but then I'll check it. I did use the entire thing. If I do have to go in with the second round, that's also fine. Again, I am not aiming for anything perfect. I just want it to be super faded. See y'all in about 30 minutes. Wish me luck. All right, I left it on for about 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, it still kind of looked the same. Y'all don't forget to subscribe, please. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family. I was getting ready to go to bed and stuff like that, so I literally just fell asleep with this on. It looked promising, so I felt decent. It was getting late, so I always tend to work kind of late. Look, y'all can tell I'm working on my fitness. But I tend to kind of thrive at nighttime. At first, I was like, yeah, this didn't change at all. But then, obviously, you can see it drastically changed it and it drastically lightened it. I think I was still kind of unsure last night, you know, taking the towel off and stuff like that. But then as I started kind of going through my hair, I was like, okay, you know what? I think it really did what I expected for it to do. Y'all can see the excitement. Yeah, and it did get a little bit on certain spots, like the parts of like my natural hair color, where they had like a little bit of like purple at the ends. I put a little bit on there, so it kind of just looks like I have highlights. I'll turn around and you guys can see that. It just kind of looks like even in those spots that maybe I just have, you know, highlights or something. I was thrilled with it, and of course it looks different the next morning. So we're gonna go to bed and I will show you guys the reveal in 3, 2, 1. And here's the finished result. You guys, I love it so, so, so much. I cannot express, and it even looks a little bit lighter. Like I'm doing this pretty much in real time. Like I just finished my makeup and stuff like that, and as it's drying, it looks even more kind of pastelized. Yeah, you guys, I'm so thrilled with this. I'm gonna stick with this for the rest of the summer, and then I will be doing my hair again in October. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I definitely love it. I'm super happy with the outcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all so, so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.